Hi guys, today I want to talk about one beautiful product, and this is a really a miraculous product for me. So the name of the product is phitowiz, and I will just enlighten my review on this. So basically I'm from an IT person. I'm an IT person, and as you know, due to the pandemic we are allowed to do work from home. So while sitting on the laptop for hours and hours, I got a severe back pain, and unfortunately sometimes I am unable to walk as well due to this severe back pain. So I was really very terrified, like what's going on in my life and why I'm having this kind of pain. So I discussed this problem with my mother, and she suggested me the beautiful and the miracle product, which name is phitowiz. So I just in the beginning I can't believe, like my mother is saying that there are a lot of reviews going on and all. So she taught me, just watch the review, let's see what will be the results and all. So I just watched the review and all, and I bought this product. And by using for 1 to 2 weeks, I can see a drastic change in myself. My back pain, which I used to take a lot of painkillers, I stopped taking that. Okay, and right now I'm not having any kind of back pain, and plus it helps with my skin as well. My skin is glowing day by day. I have a hair problem issue and hair fall issue as well, so that is also getting been recovered. So I will really recommend this product to you guys. Definitely please do have a try it. It's a value for money. Thank you, phitowiz. Thank you, Nasfis.